Only been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you know what you want.
She a good girl, but the baddest. And whoever tell you different, they was capping. I know whoever slept on you couldn't manage. That's cause you inside a different type of bag.
Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl MichelleGabrielle, and today we have a wig install. This unit is from Wiggins Hair, and this unit came pre-curled, pre-bleached, pre-plucked, pre-everything, pre-cut. Everything is good for this hair. So I would 100% recommend it to someone who has no idea about wigs. You literally just have to tint the lace and you'd be good. So I don't have any lace tint spray yet, but I'm going to be going in with my cream foundation. I like to go in with my cream foundation first, and then I go in a little bit with my actual foundation shade just to make it a little bit darker. In my opinion, it comes off a lot more natural to me. And once you're done with that, you can just go ahead and throw the wig on. And if you haven't already noticed, my shirt changed. And that's because I'm not doing the install right out the box. So when I initially wanted to record this video, I was attempting to record on my iPhone and my camera at the same time. But when I looked at the footage from my camera, my phone was in the way the entire time. So this install is about a week or a week and a half after the initial install. And if you want to see the initial install, it's already posted on YouTube Shorts. But everything for the most part is pretty much the same. The only small adjustment I made was melting the lace a little bit more. And that's just because, you know, after wearing the wig a couple times, it's just not as tight right in the front as it needs to be. So I just melted the lace a little bit with the even spray. I know we're canceling them, but that's all I have in the house. But I left it on for less than 10 minutes whenever I put the headband on. So this unit didn't come with any edges pulled out, but like I said in the short form video, you are perfectly okay with not pulling any hair out. The unit is plucked well enough around the perimeter for you to just go. But me being me, and to hide my forehead, or at least shape my forehead a little bit, I prefer pulling some hair out. I'm just going to go in with a razor and cut in a diagonal fashion, not too long and not too short either. I would say that I pulled out a little more hair than I like, but you can always pluck to thin it out. But at the same time, you have to remember that this hair won't grow back. So sometimes in the beginning, it's okay to make things look a little thicker, because day-to-day wear will definitely thin things out for you, especially if you plan on keeping a unit for a while.
Only been days, but it feel like months. Gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you know what you want.
I use a hot comb to really separate things before curling the hair with my 1/2-inch straightener in an upwards motion.
Hope you know what you want. What you want. My new bitch look like Halle Berry. But she don't love me, she too scary. My hope is fun like Jackie Brown. I wanna know what she too down. Do you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, baby. In the meantime, sign up what I want.
I'm not gonna lie, this part always gets me. Like, I'm always so scared that I'm gonna burn my forehead. But so far so good. I literally hate getting burn marks on my face from heat styling tools.
Leave me here out for myself. Spin the mirror out of myself. Don't need myself for my wealth. Only been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Only gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you know what you want.
So after I'm finished working on the other side, I take the edge brush and the cheese spray to brush them down, and you really want to follow your finger with the brush as you're doing it to set them in place.
Only been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Gone for a year, only know like once. My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch fun like Jackie Brown. I wanna know what she too down. Do you be my leading lady? I want a contract girl, baby. In the meantime,
I like to take a little bit of the cheese spray and place that in the center of my lace with my finger. Then I use the band again to set the hair in place. Once you let that sit for a little while, again less than 10 minutes, I just take the wax stick and hot comb both sides of my part and the perimeter. A little goes a long way, don't overdo it.
My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch fun like Jackie Brown. I wanna know what she too down. Do you be my leading lady? I want a contract girl, baby. In the meantime,
And the very last thing I do is take some hairspray to lay these flyaways down. So that is it for the install. This is honestly some great hair. I will highly recommend it, and maybe I'll actually come back with an update because the last couple companies I've been working with, I'm not sure what's going on, but the balding after 1 month has been crazy. So fingers crossed that that will not be the case this time around. If you have any questions or concerns, go ahead and comment down below or feel free to message me privately. I really have nothing left to say. I did need this video to be at least 8 minutes, so enjoy the B-roll. Bye. Sound doing what I want.